Mahabodhi Mahavihar liberation journey it is. See, lot of sacrifice is being done by the Bhikkhuni Amma. See, no one is considering, they have to come in large numbers. See, Bhikkhuni Amma from morning continuously she is staying, it's very hot, 42 degrees hot. She is continuously meditating in the summer, very hot. See, we all have to consider this. There is lot of dedication here required by our upasakas. See, Buddhist followers or non-Buddhist followers who follow the philosophy of Buddha, and see the Bhikkhuni Sangha. We have to support the Bhikkhuni Sangha. See, what an intense meditation with 42-degree temperature, I cannot even stand here and take a video. With this temperature, Amma is really doing a very great job for liberating Mahabodhi Mahavihar. This is a very serious matter which has to be followed by all the humans, news channels, by the PM, by the CM of this Bihar. Why they are not considering? See, so many Bhikkhunis have taken part, and our Bodhidatta Bantiji, our Sariputta Bantiji, and our Amrish, Preeti and Lata, myself from Sri Gautama Buddha Vihar, from Nalanda Buddha Vihar, and from Nagasena Buddha Vihar, we have come to do hunger strike for this. This is not only the agitation of the bhikkhus or the Bhikkhuni Sanghas, this is even for the public. You should be aware, you should come out. All Baba Sahib children should come out in large numbers and support this event, and all Buddhists should come out. Just saying as a Buddhist is not correct. All have to come out, and we have to support this movement in large numbers. See, so many are there. Namo Buddhaya. Jai Bhim.